In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu on Discord without encountering a black screen, so you can share your favorite shows or movies with friends. Let's get started. To stream Hulu on Discord, first ensure your computer meets the necessary requirements for screen sharing. Open Discord and start a voice channel in a server where you have permission to share your screen. Click the screen icon in the call menu and select the option to share your entire screen or the specific window where Hulu is playing. If you encounter a black screen, it's likely due to DRM, Digital Rights Management Protection on Hulu's content. To bypass this, use an HDMI capture card. Connect your device playing Hulu, like a phone, tablet, or another computer, to your PC using the capture card. Then share the captured feed in Discord. For the best results, ensure your internet connection is stable and that your Discord app is updated to the latest version. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu on Discord.